Hello everyone. Today in this video let us learn how to construct quadrilaterals. In that first model, when the four lengths of sides are given and one diagonal are given, how to construct a quadrilateral. Okay, let us see an example question for that. Construct a quadrilateral RENT in which RE is given 5.6 centimeter, EN is 5 centimeter, NT 6.2 centimeter, TR 4.4 centimeter, and a diagonal of RN length 8 centimeters. So before constructing any quadrilateral, first of all make sure that you have to construct a rough figure of that given quadrilateral. So for that, how we are going to construct the quadrilateral? As it is, we are going to draw a rough sketch of that. For example, for this question, first let us take diagonal. Let us draw diagonal Rn as base and then mark this as 8 centimeter. Then draw Re on the top, mark as 5.6 centimeter. Next, join E to N, mark it as 5 centimeter. Then draw NT on the bottom and mark it as 6.2 centimeter. Next, join T to R also and write it as 4.4 centimeters. These are not actual measurements, these are according to the data. This is our rough sketch. Okay, now let us start the actual construction according to this rough sketch. Take a ruler and draw a line segment of length exactly 8 centimeter. Okay, mark this as, name this as Rn, and this is 8 centimeters. Write down 8 centimeter. Next, step 2, take a compass and open the radius up to 5.6 centimeter. Take exactly 5.6, and with R as center, now with R as center, draw an arc on the top. Next, take again the radius of 5 centimeter because our EN is 5 centimeter. Next, with N as center, draw another arc. With N as center, draw another arc of this 5 centimeters radius to cut the previous arc. The two arcs should intersect. Now, join R and N points to this intersection point, intersection of two arcs. This length should be 5.6. And next, join the other point also to the point of intersection of the arcs, and this should be 5 centimeters. So name the mark the intersection point as E, and this RE length should be 5.6 centimeter, and mark this NE as 5 centimeter. Okay, immediately write all the measurements as soon as you construct. Now again take the compass and open the compass to a radius of, now we are going to construct NT. So open the radius up to 6.2 centimeter. And with N as center, after taking 6.2 centimeter, with N as center, draw an arc down the line of Rn. Okay, draw an arc down to the R line Rn. Draw an arc like this. Next, again take the radius of 4.4 centimeters. Take the compass and open now 4.4 centimeters radius. Now we are going to construct RT, which is 4.4 according to the given data. So open 4.4 centimeters carefully, and with R as center, draw another arc to cut the previous arc. Here the arcs are not cutting. If the arcs are not intersecting, what we should do, go back to the same radius as before step, which is 6.2 centimeters, and extend the arc until the arcs intersect each other. So let us take 6.2 again and extend the arc. Okay, arcs are intersecting. Now join again R and N to this point of intersection of the arcs. Point R intersection to intersection point, and point N to the point of intersection. Join these two also and mark this point of intersection as T. This point of intersection is T. Now mark this TR as 6.2 centimeter and RT as 4.4 centimeter, thus RENT. This is the required quadrilateral. Let us see another example. Construct a quadrilateral PQRS with PQ 3.5 centimeter, QR 4 centimeter, R is 5 centimeter, PS 4.5 centimeter, and QS is 6.5 centimeter. Here PQ, QR, RS, PS, these are all sides, 4 sides, and QS is a diagonal. How do you identify which are sides and which is a diagonal? Here the letters are all adjacent letters, so these are all sides, and here instead QS are, then the R is skipped here, so that means this is a diagonal. So now QS is a diagonal. So 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Now you can construct in another way also when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. As we said before, we started with diagonal first. And we can also start with a side instead of diagonal also. So we can start with any one of the side as base. Like PQ you can start, and you can construct in the middle QS also. First of all, let us start with the rough sketch of the given quadrilateral. First, draw PQRS in any shape. And let us write this as P, Q, R, and this is S. PQ is given 3.5 centimeter, and given QR is 4 centimeter, and RS is given 5 centimeter. Next PS is given 4.5 centimeter, and you are given another diagonal QS. This is QS, which is 6.5 centimeter. Now let us start the actual construction. Let's start with PQ as base, and then we'll construct S first. Taking PQ as base, we construct S by taking an arc from P 4.5 centimeter, an arc from Q 6.5 centimeter. The intersection point of the two arcs marked as S. Similarly, from Q, draw an arc of 4 centimeters, and from S, what we got previously, from that you mark another arc from this with 5 centimeters as radius, and where the two arcs meet here, that gives you the point R. Okay, after joining all this, you will get a quadrilateral. Let us see the construction now.
Okay, take a ruler and draw a line segment of length 3.5 centimeters, which is our base PQ. Name it as PQ and write under that 3.5 centimeters. Next, take a compass, open a radius of 4.5 centimeters, which is the distance from P to S. We are going to construct S. So to draw a radius, we have to take 4.5 centimeters as radius with P as center. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. Similarly, now take a radius of 6.5 centimeters, which is the distance from Q to S. We are going to construct point S, so we have to take a radius of 6.5 centimeters, and this radius with the Q as center, put it on Q, and draw an arc of 6.5 centimeters to cut the previous arc. Make sure the two arcs should meet each other. If not, otherwise extend the two arcs and let them meet. Now mark the point as S. Next, join P to S and Q to S. This should be 4.5 centimeter. Yes, it is 4.5. And also join Q to S. This should be 6.5 centimeter. Yes, it is 6.5 centimeter. Now take a radius, take again the compass, take a radius of 4 centimeters now. Put it on 0. And open a compass of radius 4 centimeters. This is the distance from Q to R. We are going to construct point R. So open 4 centimeters and put it on Q, Q as center. Draw an arc. This is the arc for 4 centimeters from Q. Next, again take a radius of 5 centimeters now. This is the distance from S to R. We are going to construct point R. So open 5 centimeters radius, and this arc should be drawn from center S. Take a point S as center and draw that arc of 5 centimeters, and the two arcs should meet. This mark the point of intersection of two arcs as R. Now join S to R and Q to R. S to R should be 5 centimeter and Q to R should be 4 centimeter. Okay. Now write all the given measurements on this figure. This is 4 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter SR, and PS should be 4.5 centimeter and diagonal should be 6.5 centimeter. So this is our required quadrilateral PQRS.